Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you data type in JavaScript. First, we will see the string. But suppose X, this is string. Console.log X type of this is string and type is string. We have seen with the console.log. This is another string. How to concat both strings X and Y. To concat one or more string and add all together, we will use the plus sign. X plus Y. Console.log console. This is string, this is another string. Both is together. So, to make concat, we use the plus sign in JavaScript. Var X, suppose 100. Var Y equal to, in double quotation, 100. So now we'll test the type. Y, we can do another one in single quotation. Type of, we'll see the type of those variables. First one is number, second one is string, and third one is string. To make the string in JavaScript, we use double quotation or single quotation. Without quotation, just number. The type of this is just number. Then how to concat those? Suppose A equal to X plus Y plus Z. Hundred. Just string. With the number, if any string is being concatenated all together, that is a string. If we remove the string, then what happens? We are getting arithmetic value, addition, 100, 300. if both is number and that is string last one, we concat, then first two is being addition with the plus sign 100, 100, 200, and last one is a string. So 200 plus string. $200, 100, and we can see that type of a string. So when string will be concatenated with the number, finally the type of this is string. We can remove this. String and number we have seen. Now we'll see the Boolean. Variable x equal to true, variable y equal to false. Console dot log type of x, type of y. Both are Boolean. True, false. True is Boolean, false is Boolean, and we are initializing to the x and y. So type of true is Boolean, type of false is Boolean. Now we'll see the object. Suppose object start with curly braces, this is object, and we can see the value. Empty. We can set our property key and value. Key value. We can extract with this way. Object and its property value. Suppose 100, we can see 100. So with the curly double braces start and end, we can create object with the key and value with this property. Now array. Array is an object. We can set some data 1, 2, 3 you can see, and the type of array is object. Function, suppose x equal to function hat arrow definition as a default, and its type is function. Empty function just is its declaration, and its type is function. Function, you can see in this way, that is function. Thanks for watching this tutorial.